Today we are going to make a very easy French chocolate cake. If you can remember the previous lava cake recipe I made, this one is also very similar to that. The only difference is we bake this cake a bit more time in a large pan. So the interior of the cake is not runny anymore like a lava cake. For this French chocolate cake, we need to get ready with these ingredients. First we need to melt butter and chocolate together. You can very easily melt this in a microwave. After melting them completely, let it cool down to room temperature. Then in a separate bowl, we can beat eggs and sugar until it becomes thick and pale in color. After that, we can mix in vanilla extract. Then add prepared chocolate mixture and mix until well combined. After combining flour into the mixture, our cake batter is ready. Now we can pour this cake batter into a baking tray and bake this cake around 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. After baking, let it cool down around 10 minutes and then sprinkle some icing sugar on top. This is a very easy, delicious cake recipe for your tea time. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel and ring the bell icon.